Wait, where am I?
Oh, hi! Welcome, DeWiCat.
A DY what did you say? And what's going on?
Let me show you around. Follow me!
Oh, okay.
Oh, so here we go! DeWiCat is a unique NFT project that helps our holders bring their ideas to life.
Wait, so I'm an NFT? Like a GIF, but cooler.
Exactly. We're a bunch of cats funding community projects from local ideas to big global initiatives, all through our governance and treasury.
Whoa, that sounds fancy. Also a little confusing.
Oh, it's simpler than it sounds. Our treasure chest grows through daily auctions of DeWiCat NFTs and by using DePIN hardware. Think of DePIN as infrastructure that we all get rewarded for building.
Oh, so like we all chip in and get treats.
Yeah, exactly. All our gadgets, dash cams, phones, hotspots, and more team up to build a powerful decentralized network.
Oh, and this fills our treasury to fund our perfect ideas.
Ooh, yeah. Your imagination is your limit. The crazier the idea, the better.
Wait, I have an idea.
Is it crazy?
Yeah, it is. Imagine this. We build a state-of-the-art telescope that can help us find more cats out there in the cosmos.
Dude, I'm telling you, no way there's a cat on Mars.
Yeah, probably not.
Wait, hold on. I think I saw something. By the 9 lives! Wow!
Hey, come on, snap out of it.
Sorry, where were we?
We're making it real with the DAO.
DAO? Is that some kind of meow?
Not quite. A DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. It's like a big cat roundtable where all DeWiCats decide on ideas.
Oh, so everybody has a say over the treasury.
Yes! And that means if your telescope idea gets enough votes, it might just become a reality. Ooh, but wait, that's not all. Our project runs on Solana, the tech that powers everything we do, faster than a cat on catnip.
So, only possible on Solana. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, now you're getting it. Want to know how other cats can join our furry family?
I was just about to ask.
Easy. Visit our website, join the daily auctions, and you're in.
And then we fund ideas together.
Exactly. We collaborate, innovate, and make the world a little more perfect, one paw at a time.
Ooh, I'm in. Let's get started with that telescope.
You're really stuck on that, huh? You'll fit right in.
Wait, who am I? Oh, hi, new DeWiCat, right? Let me take you on a trip. Come on.